Have you ever looked at a photo and thought, why can't I see things like that? You've got the same gear or close enough, but your images feel flat, while others seem to see the magic in everyday scenes. Here's the truth. Photographers don't just take photos, they train their eyes to see differently. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And this isn't just about learning rules, it's about shifting how you experience the world. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to spot moments most people miss, see the light like a photographer, and use lines, shadows and framing to create powerful compositions literally anywhere. I've also got a few mini exercises you can do today to start rewiring your visual brain. And if you're able to stick around, I've got a bonus tip for you too. When I first picked up a camera, I thought the key was better gear, but the real transformation happened when I learned to slow down and started noticing things most people walk past. The way a shadow curves across a wall, the glow of light just before sunset, that split-second expression in someone's eyes. And here's the thing, you don't only take great photos with your camera, you also take them with your awareness. And once you tune into that, your photography changes forever. And if you want to go deeper, I've created an ebook to help you build your skills and knowledge, the 3 essential pillars of good photography. You can grab it by using the link in the description. It's totally free when you sign into my newsletter. Train your eye by asking one question throughout your day. Where's the light coming from? Is it natural light? Artificial light? Are there soft shadows? Hard edges? Every light source paints a subject differently. So why not try this? Walk into a room before picking your camera up and just observe the light. Watch how it falls on faces, objects and textures. Notice where the light is harsh and where it's soft. Then ask yourself, what feeling does this light create? You'll start seeing light in ways you never noticed before, and soon you'll be far more aware and be able to use it effectively. Once you've tuned into light, the next step is structure. Train yourself to notice leading lines in pavements, fences and shadows. Look for framing in windows, doorways and tree branches. Find symmetry and balance. Look for patterns in architecture and nature. And here's a practice tip for you. Walk through a familiar place, like your daily commute or through a local park, and pretend you're creating a gallery of images just from that walk. You'll see how much is actually there once you pay attention. You don't need technical perfection to create a powerful image. You can train your eye to catch a decisive moment, the instant when gesture, light and emotion align. Street photographers like Henry Cartier-Bresson live for these fleeting scenes. And why not give this a go? Pick one spot, stay there for 10 minutes, don't move, watch, wait, and let the scene evolve. Then see how many photographic opportunities appear before you. You'll notice rhythms, gestures, and small interactions. That's basically seeing like a photographer. The best photographers kind of feel their photos before they frame them. So ask yourself, what draws me in? What emotion is this scene giving me? What story do I want to tell? Photography isn't about what's actually there as such, it's about how it feels to you. And when you shoot from that place, your images start to connect with others in a powerful, engaging way. So here's that bonus tip as promised to help with these ideas. Make a rectangle out of paper or a card, literally a little viewfinder, and carry it around with you throughout the day. Hold it up and look through it. Frame scenes like a camera would. This trains your brain to see in compositions, even when you're not holding your camera. It's simple, it's analog, it's cheap, and it works. Alternatively, you could use your phone in the same way, without necessarily taking a picture, and that might even be a better option. So the next time you're out with your camera, or even just walk into the shop, remember, you're not just seeing, you're training your eye to notice, to feel, and to create. Don't forget to grab the ebook below to keep building your knowledge, and if you want more help with your photography, why not watch this one next? And if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe. Your support really is appreciated. And what's one moment you wish you'd captured but didn't? What stopped you? Let me know in the comments, I read every one. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.